how to fix Instagram Reels lag. So if you want to fix your Instagram Reels lagging, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up Instagram application. Tap on the profile icon, which is on the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines, which is on the top right of your screen. This will open the side menu. You need to go with the first option, which is settings and privacy, and then it will take you to this kind of interface. Now scroll down and then you need to find data usage or media quality. Once you find it, tap on it. Now if your data saver option is enabled, then Instagram uses less data for working. That means Instagram reduces your videos and pictures quality. And that can be a reason why your reels lag. So make sure that your data saver is not turned on. If it's turned on, you need to just simply go and turn it off. The next thing you need to do is tap and hold on to your Instagram. Go with the app info. Go with clear data and tap on clear cache. And after clearing your cache, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.